Assalamu alaikum, welcome to my YouTube channel. So experiment number 2, creatinine clearance test. This is experiment of biochemistry class BSc. So let's we start. The ratio at which different substances are clearanced from the plasma provide a useful way of quantitating of infectiousness with which the kidney excrete various substances. By definition, the renal disease of a substance is the volume of substance that is completely cleared from plasma by the kidneys in unit time. CS multiplied by V multiplied by 1.73 PS, where CS rate of clearance of substance, US means urinary concentration of substance, PS plasma concentration of substance. Thus, renal clearance of a substance is calculated from the urinary excretion ratio US multiplied by V of that substance divided by plasma concentration. Now we read source of creatinine. The energy for driving most of the biochemical reaction is derived from the hydrolysis of ATP. Both ATP and ADP are powerful effectors of many enzymes. Therefore, the concentration of adenine neutralides must carefully regulated to permit burst of activity. A large amount of phosphate is stored as phosphocreatinine, which on hydrolysis yield energy and creatinine. All creatinine produced is excreted in urine. The measurement of this compound is useful in determining the clearance activity of kidneys. Creative clearance test is used to estimate Miller filtration rate GFR to evaluate progression of renal disease or adjust dosage of medication in which renal excretion is important. Reference range male 85 125 ml minute. Reference range female 75 115 ml minute. Exercise may increase creative clearance, absorb acid ketone bodies, acetate, certain cephalosporin, antibiotic, and glucose. Many influencer creative determination. Male excrete more creation and have slightly higher creatinine clearance rate than females. Methodology Jeff's reaction using alkaline pyric acid or enzymatic method in commonly used for the determination of creatinine in serum and urine. Principle: estimation of creatinine is based upon Jeff's reaction in which creatinine reacts with pyric acid to form creatinine pyrrole. This creatinine pyrrole undergoes tautomerization by adding NaOH. That complex is known as sodium salt of creatinine pyrrole, which appear as range red color complex, which is read colorimetrically at 530 mm. इक्वेशन, ये जी सारी इक्वेशन है यहाँ पर, और इक्वेशन का रिजल्ट निकला है सोडियम सॉल्ट ऑफ क्रिएटिनाइन पिक्ट्रेट. ठीक है, ये इक्वेशन देख लें आप अच्छे से. ठीक है, इसका स्क्रीनशॉट ले लें अगर लेना है. ये देखें, ये अब लें स्क्रीनशॉट. ठीक है, ले लिया. नाउ वी रीड मटेरियल्स. Sodium tungstate solution 10%, sulfuric acid H2SO4 2 3N, picric acid 0.04 m, creatinine standard 0.03 mg ml for blood, creatinine standard 0.05 mg ml for urine. Now we read procedure. Preparation of test or deproteinization of blood. Number 1, take 1.0 ml of blood in a centrifuge tube, add 1.0 ml of 10% sodium tungstate and 1.0 ml 2 and 3 sulfuric acid. Add 7 ml distilled water, mix well and configure it for 10 minutes. Pipette out 5 ml of supermint in another test tube and mark it as T6. Dilution of urine sample. Dilute the urine sample with distilled water in 1.99 ratio. Pipette out 5 ml of diluted urine in another test tube and marks it T. प्रिपरेशन ऑफ स्टैंडर्ड्स की प्रिपरेशन करी. यहाँ पे हमने ये सारी बॉटल्स ले ली. टेस्ट ट्यूब S1 S2 S3 B 0.5 ml 4.5, ये सारे इसके ml यहाँ पे मेंशन कर दिए हैं, आप देख लें. उसके बाद यहाँ पे कलर डेवलपमेंट है. इन ऑल ट्यूब्स एट 4.5 ml ऑफ पिट्रिक एसिड एंड 0.5 ml ऑफ 10% सोडियम हाइड्रोक्साइड NaOH. Mix well and allow the test tube of standard for 10 minutes. Read the standard test against blank at 550. Note the OD of standard test plot of graph and calculate the concentration of creatinine in plasma and urine and clearance rate। ठीक है जी, अब है नेक्स्ट हमारा ग्राफ। तो हम यहाँ पे ग्राफ बनाना सीखते हैं या मैं आपको नेक्स्ट वीडियो में दिखाती हूँ।